Okay, the artistry, okay, see the arm like a window frame. And then from here, you look out from a window. Yes, that's right. Okay, not too bad. Okay, one more thing, okay, when you do the penché, I need the breath, make the breath big. And then you penché all the way down, don't drop it. Make I see you a little drop the arm to here. Don't. This arm needs to reach as far as possible. And then chin up and let go as high as possible. Okay, don't drop it at all. Okay, so let's start from our side. Ready? Oh, one more small thing. Watch me here, okay? I go this way, you can see me. So after you double, right? Double, round under. Su, please breathe with arm. People can see. You did breathe, but you not breathe with your arm. Nobody can see it. You clear? You breathe, you pulling, try very hard to pulling, but nobody can see. Yeah, so ballet is breathe from your arm. When you're doing that, the people in the balcony can see.